Alright, it's been a long time. I know. Every time I think I'm out, they pull me back in. Don't call it a comeback. Don't you dare. What's going on, kids? Some of you may be wondering where we've been, what's been going on. The hiatus was due to an array of reasons, some good, some bad. But I'm here to say that I think it's ramping back up. We're getting back to it. And I have some really exciting, amazing, really cool announcements and updates and things going on that I wanted to share with you and do a quick video about. But I'm back to it. And I actually have uploaded. We have a bunch of Patreon exclusive videos, some behind the scenes of videos you've seen on this channel, some extra stuff that just didn't fit into another episode that I just thought was fun or whatever. I just wanted to throw it out there. We got the old podcast episodes on there. There's a bunch of really cool exclusive things on our Patreon if you want to support us further and get the inside scoop. And I'm gonna continue to upload to Patreon and add stuff. More bang for your buck. One of the coolest things that happened recently is we were actually in an ESPN commercial. You may remember the boy and me went to a Giants game. We watched it from McCovey Cove through the Knothole Gang fence. And ESPN used some clips in a commercial about sports during the pandemic. Dude, to see my stupid mug on ESPN, actually you couldn't, I was wearing a mask. But you know what I mean. And hearing my woo, it was really cool to be part of that. And the funniest part was they used my woo as like the climax to the commercial, which is hilarious to me because I always laugh to myself about my annoying woos whenever I'm editing a sports video. It was really cool. My cousin Dustin, stand-up comedian, go check him out, texted me. He's like, hey, I just saw you on Monday Night Football. Like, it was really cool, you know? Also, if you follow us on Instagram, which you should, if you want updates, that's kind of the main social media. You may see we're running a contest. I'm an exhibit ambassador for the immersive Van Gogh exhibit in San Francisco, and I'm giving away 2 free tickets to the Van Gogh exhibit. So go check that out on Instagram. There's gonna be more stuff coming to Instagram, more contests and giveaways and updates. I'm really excited to be an exhibit ambassador for immersive Van Gogh. It's awesome. Immersive Van Gogh is amazing. I've already gone once. I'm going back, doing an episode. It's coming out soon. So check the Instagram. Immersive Van Gogh, 2 free tickets, giveaway going on now on Instagram. If you're watching this video way in the future, then sorry. Tickets are gone. Instagram is my favorite social media of choice, but you can also follow us on Facebook as well and Twitter. Eventually there's gonna be more giveaways that I'm really excited about. I can't really say yet, but this shirt is a hint. A little hint-a-rooney. I also got a new studio space. I'm currently building my little video studio station, trying to build a computer, but you can't get a video card because cryptocurrency is going crazy and all this stuff. But I'll be showing the progress of that, and I have been showing some of the progress on the Patreon. That's been one of the main holdups of the hiatus because I'm just like, let me just get this video studio together, then I'll start making videos again. I've also mentioned a bunch of times, but I'm trying to wait out the pandemic. Things are either closed, I don't want to do it wearing a mask, I want to wait, or the outdoors things that I could do are just packed with people because people aren't at work or they're working from home or whatever it may be. So I'm just like trying to wait this out. I want things to go back to normal so I can do videos like I normally do. I've mentioned in the bloopers and whatnot episodes that I get really irritated at people when I'm trying to film. And I'm trying to get better at that, but right now there's just too many people out there. Got my second shot of the vaccine coming up in like 2 weeks, so that'll be a big help. Get back out there, catch some flights maybe, hopefully. And another update, I'm actually developing a parallel podcast to this channel. So basically the videos on this channel, I want them to be fun and stuff. I don't want them to be super comprehensive and like a lecture. Like I want them to teach a little bit, but I also want them to just be fun and exciting or whatever it may be. So I thought doing a parallel podcast where I get a little more in depth, more comprehensive about these places, tell more stories, tell more history about the places, might be a fun project to do. So more info on that coming soon. I want to get more like descriptive and poetic and tell a story about these places. Deep dive into the history more than I do in the videos, because I don't want the videos to just be me like talking all the time about the history and just telling you the history, sort of like this video. I don't want this video to ever happen again. Hopefully as soon as I get my video studio up, I can get the microphone set up and actually start recording that. But it's something I think will be fun and exciting if you like podcasts. There's also been some harder to deal with things going on too, but I want this channel to be optimistic and hopeful and a positive influence. So I'm not gonna bring that to this channel. I'll complain a little bit on the Patreon though. Some of the exclusive videos may be future vlogs on the Dylan Sesco channel. If you need something to watch, you can go watch my personal YouTube channel. There's a bunch of old vlogs and stuff, just random stuff. Things from when we went to Dallas and little road trips here and there, time with my niece and stuff like that. And if you sat through this, I'll give you some inside information. Got a new episode about to drop. It's about an Old West mining town that basically has two sides to it, and it's also connected to one of the most infamous outlaws in Wild West history. I filmed it a while back. I've just been sitting on it, had to do some pickup shots, but it's coming out very soon. There's also so much more information that I'm gonna trickle out, opportunities, invites I've gotten to some amazing places to do videos and stuff. I don't want to give it away yet, because then if it doesn't happen, then I just look stupid. There's been plenty of videos where I like, eventually we're gonna do this, and then I never get around to it because I'm working all the time and I'm poor, and then I can't have money to do things, and then, you know. But if this channel ever blows up, I'll get to it. So help it blow up. Share it. Let people know. Word of mouth. Like the old days. So yeah, I'm back, baby. I'm back in the game. Thank you for all the kind words of people that were wondering where we were, and we've gotten a lot of really cool comments lately. It means a lot. But I'm back, I believe, I think. I'm trying. You guys should see this list in my phone of places I want to film. This is just one list. I don't know if you can see that. Look, that's one list of places to film. Yep, there's the end. But I have other lists too. Let me see, I think that's it. Any more updates? Here's your robot, sorry, almost forgot that. There will be more exclusive videos on Patreon. I want to do the fun, stupid ones, you know, like reading negative comments. Maybe do some blooper type stuff over there. We'll see. But I say all that to say that I haven't given up. I haven't disappeared. Just needed a hiatus. Figure some stuff out. And love you guys, man. Love you guys. Go Giants, go Warriors, go Niners, go Sharks. Thank you guys. From the bottom of my heart, I appreciate all of you that watch and like and comment and share and join the Patreon, all that. You guys are awesome. Genuinely and truly appreciate the Patreon subscribers. It's still a small channel, but it means the world to me. Thank you. I think that's it, kids. New episodes coming soon. All right, Vertlife, something or other tour.